Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. One of the most important tasks you will perform in your OPI is demonstrating that you can give clear and organized directions from one place to another using connected sentences. In this lesson, I will give you 50 common phrases that will help you give organized and accurate directions from your house to your workplace during your OPI. And you have to take note that when you are giving directions, you will use imperative verbs or command verbs because these are the forms you use when telling someone what to do or where to go. In the OPI, it's not enough to simply give directions. You also need to show that you can introduce a topic, use markers, and provide smooth transitions. That's why we will use warm up lines to show fluency and confidence before we move into the step by step directions. These first 10 phrases are some warm up lines you can use before giving the actual directions. Handa ka na ba? Magsimula na po tayo. Bigyan mo ako ng direksyon mula sa bahay mo hanggang sa trabaho mo. Madali lang ang direksyon mula sa bahay ko papunta sa trabaho. The directions from my house to my workplace are easy. Simple lang ang ruta ko araw-araw, kaya mabilis ko itong maipapaliwanag. My daily route is simple, so I can explain it quickly. Hindi komplikado ang biyahe ko. Ilang liko lang at nasa trabaho na ako. My commute isn't complicated, just a few turns and I'm already at work. May malinaw na mga palatandaan sa daan, kaya madaling sundan ang direksyon ko. There are clear landmarks along the way, so my directions are easy to follow. Mabilis lang ang biyahe ko, kaya kaya kong ibigay ang hakbang-hakbang na rota. My commute is quick, so I can give the step-by-step route easily. Araw-araw kong dinadaanan ang rutang ito, kaya kabisado ko na ang bawat liko. I take this route every day, so I know every turn by heart. Diretsyo lang ang ruta ko, kaya hindi ka mahihirapang sundan ang direksyon. My route is straightforward, so you won't have a hard time following the directions. May ilang mahalagang palatandaan sa daan, kaya madali kong maipapakita ang ruta. There are a few important landmarks along the way, so I can show you the route easily. Hindi mahaba ang biyahe ko, kaya mabilis ko itong maipapaliwanag ng malinaw. My commute isn't long, so I can explain it clearly and quickly. Malapit lang ang bahay ko sa trabaho, kaya madali lang ang direksyon papunta roon. My house is close to my workplace, so the directions going there are easy. Now, you can use these few warm-up introduction lines before you give your step-by-step directions. Through these warm-up lines, you show that you are not just answering. You can also give clear introduction before going into details. Now that you've introduced the topic, let's proceed to the actual directions from your house to your workplace. Lumabas ka sa kabahayan at kumaliwa ka sa pamunahing kalye. Exit the subdivision and turn left onto the main road. Pagyabas mo ng daanan ng sasakyan, kumanan ka agad. When you exit the driveway, turn right immediately. Dumiretso ka mula sa tarangkahan ng mga 2 minuto. Go straight from the gate for about 2 minutes. Sundan mo ang kalsada hanggang makarating ka sa unang sangandaan. Follow the road until you reach the first intersection. Lumiko ka sa unang kanto sa kanan. Turn at the first corner on the right. Kumaliwa ka pagkatapos ng karatulang huminto. Turn left after the stop sign. Kumanan ka bago ka makarating sa malaking puno. Turn right before you reach the big tree. Dumiretso ka hanggang makita mo ang gasolinahan. Go straight until you see the gas station. Lumiko ka sa pangalawang sangandaan. Turn at the second intersection. Kumanan ka sa kalye na may ilaw trapiko. Turn right at the street with a traffic light. Dumaan ka sa harap ng mababang paaralan. Pass in front of the elementary school. May makikita kang simbahan sa kanan at dumiretso ka pa. You will see a church on the right and keep going straight. Tumawid ka sa maliit na tulay. Cross the small bridge. Dumaan ka sa tabi ng malaking tindahan. Pass beside the big store. Lumampas ka sa parke bago ka lumiko. Pass the park before you turn. Sundan mo ang mga karatula papunta sa sentro ng lungsod. Follow the signs going to downtown. Kunin mo ang labasang 12. Take the exit 12. Dumiretso ka sa pangunahing kalsada ng mga 5 minuto. Go straight on the main road for about 5 minutes. Lumipat ka sa kaliwang linya kapag malapit ka na sa labasan. Move to the left lane when you're close to the exit. Magmaneho ka ng mga 3 minuto bago ka lumiko. Drive for about 3 minutes before turning. Dumiretso ka ng kaunti pa pagkatapos ng gasolinahan. Go straight a little more after the gas station. Kumanan ka pagkatapos ng 2 ilaw trapiko. Turn right after 2 traffic lights. Kumaliwa ka kapag nakita mo ang malaking gusali. Turn left when you see the big building. Sundan mo ang kalsada hanggang makita mo ang lagutang daan. Follow the road until you see the overpass. Lumiko ka sa kanan pagkatapos ng lagutang daan. Turn right after the overpass. Dumiretso ka hanggang makarating ka sa rotonda. Go straight until you reach the roundabout. Kunin mo ang pangalawang labasan sa rotonda. Take the second exit at the roundabout. Sundan mo ang kalye na yon hanggang sa dulo. Follow that street all the way to the end. Kumaliwa ka papunta sa paradahan. Turn left toward the parking lot. Pumasok ka sa paradahan sa kanan. Enter the parking lot on the right. Umarada ka sa unang bakanteng pwesto. Park in the first available spot. Lumakad ka papunta sa pasukan ng gusali. Walk toward the entrance of the building. Sa puntong iyon, malapit ka na. At that point, you're close. Sa kaliwa mo, makikita mo ang gusali ng trabaho ko. On your left, you will see my workplace building. Makikita mo sa kaliwa ang gusali kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. You'll see on the left the building where I work. At dito nagtatapos ang direksyon mula sa bahay ko papunta sa trabaho. And this is where the directions from my house to my workplace end. At yan ang kabuoang direksyon mula sa bahay ko hanggang sa trabaho. And that is the complete set of directions from my house to my workplace. To end your response, use the last 2 closing phrases, number 49 and number 50. These 2 lines give your answer a smooth, complete, and confident ending. So now, you have your 50 phrases for giving directions. You can use this list as your guide when you formulate your own response. These phrases will help you stay organized, sound natural, and give clear step-by-step directions from your house to your workplace. O sige, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Paalam!